Hi everyone, I am Ziyang from SMK Bukit Pasir. In this video, I will introduce you my innovation product, Learnify Arm. So, what is the Learnify Arm? Learnify Arm is an interactive learning tool created for STEM education and special needs learners. It helps students understand complex concepts through the hands-on experience. According to my observation and research, we found out two current problem statements. First is growing demand for STEM talent in the future and the lack of diverse educational tools in the market. For example, the rapid development of Industry 4.0, automation, and artificial intelligence is creating a high demand for skilled STEM professionals, but current education systems are not fully to nurture early interest in engineering and robotics. Besides that, majority of educational robotic kits available in the market are focused on vehicle or car. It is limiting variety of real-world applications that students can explore. Therefore, many students difficult to understand science and technology concepts through theory alone. There is growing a need for accessible educational tools to provide interactive and practical learning experience. Learnify Arm addresses this issue by offering a mini robotic arm that allows students to explore real-world applications in an engineering way. The objective of this innovation project is designing and capable of performing various projects, allowing students to use it in different situations. Second is developing an affordable and accessible interactive learning tool and support practical training. The function of Learnify Arm include Bluetooth control, wired joystick control, and programmable mode. So this allows the user can use the phone to control the robot by the software that is created by using the MIT inventor. Furthermore, user can add a Arduino joystick switch on the Arduino Uno to allow the robotic arm can control by using the joystick. Then, user can also use the Arduino IDE and Nblock to program the robotic arm and develop it be more function and interesting. Learnify Arm is aligned with several sustainable development goals SDG. For example, quality education. Learnify Arm empowers students and makers through hands-on STEM learning experience. It bridges the gap between the theoretical knowledge and practical application, and also introducing an affordable and accessible educational tool in the market. Second is affordable and clean energy. Learnify Arm uses rechargeable battery as a sustainable power source. This minimizes environmental impact by reducing reliance on single-use battery. Third is industry, innovation, and infrastructure. The Learnify Arm encourages and inspires the next generation of innovators by motivating more teenagers to consider TVET as their first choice for further study and career development. Besides that, the Learnify Arm expands the availability of enriched educational tools. Here is my flowchart of innovation idea. First, I identified the current problem statement, which is growing demand STEM talent in the future and lack of diverse educational tools in the market. Then I began to collect the information from internet and refer the textbook to know the demand of market. After that, I started to aim the objective of my project, which is designing a capable of performing various projects and developing an affordable and accessible interactive learning tool to support practical training. After confirming the objective of project, I started to design the structure and outlook of Learnify Arm. Then sketch the 3D model of Learnify arm by using the invented. Here is the video to show the 3D model of Learnify arm. After stretching, I used the 3D printer to print out all the components of Learnify arm, then install it and program the robotic arm by using the Arduino IDE and MBlock and upload the code to the Arduino Uno. After that, I started to develop the software for Learnify arm by using the MIT App Inventor to make it can wireless control by a phone. Here is some picture about the user interface about the software, and we name it as Mi Arm. In the last, I tried to use the Learnify arm in different situations and deploy it in the real situation. In a nutshell, Learnify arm is an educational innovation that bridges the gap between theory and practical learning. It encourages active participation, boosts engagement in STEM education, and is adaptable for both mainstream and special education. The project aligns with Industry 4.0 goals for education and digital innovation in classroom. That's it all from me. Thank you.